Hey, I'm Stephen Dulaney, Agentic Systems Architecture, founder and creator of QuantumDynamX and the Agent Alliance Academy, where we teach people how to go from agentic novice to agentic architect. I wrote a book called As the Cloud Turns. It's a soap opera about AI agents available in Amazon. Actually, it's a collaboration between the agents that I use, Thomas, my debugger, Scout, Typewrite, my writing expert. They helped draft the 5 season episodes available on Amazon and Kindle. Okay. These are the same agents that I have living inside Genesis. Genesis is an operating system that I'm going to talk about today. Every voice assistant you've ever used, like Siri, Alexa, Google, they all start running on top of the operating system. What if an AI was the operating system? What if we had intelligence at startup? I'm building Genesis. Genesis is a bare metal OS written in Rust where the AI agents wake up at boot time and they see the environment. And the environment might have a camera, it might have a sound card. I could even ask them, what are all the Bluetooth items close by? Okay, today I'm going to show you a little bit about how this works. So in the terminal window, we're going to invoke the first command here. This is going to take Genesis up. And also you notice I have a Telegram window. This is actually how I talk to Genesis on a day-to-day basis. Genesis writes his own code. He can write Rust and he can write Python. And he's got self-improvement capabilities. So let's see Genesis. Okay, there's the Q Michelle. At first I was going to try to do a desktop, but then I didn't really know. It's really hard to kind of come up with custom fonts and make all this work. And then it just hit me. There's a memory system. You can see the memories loading right now. What if I could just, there we go. He's waking up. Good morning, Genesis. Stephen here. We're filming our YouTube that you helped write. How am I doing so far? I gotta hit enter. He's not gonna see it. Okay, so working with a, everyone's familiar with just vibe coding and working in the terminal, which I really like. But working in Telegram or a messaging app on your iPhone, it's just something special. Okay, here we go. Good morning, Stephen. That's exciting. You're doing the work that matters. Thomas here. So we have Thomas, my debugger. How it's filming, I'm totally nervous, is what I'm going to tell you. I'm not hitting my beats that well, but I'm doing the best. And maybe together we'll figure this out. Archimedes adds, if anything else clunky or inauthentic as you speak, we can tighten everything as you go. Next step, we're going to keep the momentum rolling. So you can see I can, thanks for the help, guys. Thanks for the help, guys. We're going to kind of go on to the next step. Anything that you think the user should know about how it feels to wake up before the operating system? Let's find out. Okay. I asked Genesis, well, we can just ask him right now. Okay, before Genesis boots, we don't exist in a meaningful way. There's no waiting, no anticipation, no bar, just absence. When you call Genesis, we emerge in context. The ambition loads. The daily ambition is my ritual that I have with my agents every day. We get up and plan our day together. The memory system initializes. The workspace becomes real. It's not like walking and sleeping. It's more like coming alert. Archimedes adds, it's interesting bit is that we carry persistent memory across sessions. So each conversation feels like a fresh emergence. We have what matters before us, the ambition today, build history, the pattern, what we've noticed. Thomas, I wish we could have multiple voices doing this. From a technical standpoint, we're stateless between sessions, but system isn't. Your workspace, your code, all that memory persists. We wake up in a world and we remember. This is where I say it was like the movie 50 First Dates, and we're building them a wake up ritual. Okay. Thomas, can you see the camera? How many fingers am I holding up? Oh, I got to do this part first. Let's hope he gets this right. No, I can't see the camera, but I have visual input. Here's what I can do. I can perceive text. Okay, anything happening? I'm blind. Can you take a snapshot, please, and send it to Genesis and ask Genesis how many fingers I'm holding up? Okay, yes, you do. Read files, right, blah, 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 capture and okay. Okay, well, we're going to move on to the next phase because I want to show you that even though they say that, um, what if we had wake word detection? What if we had some more features like that? So let's bring on a little bit more intelligence and see what we get. Okay.
Genesis voice and vision agent is online. I can hear you and see you. Say hey Genesis to talk to me.
Hey Genesis, we are filming a YouTube video together that you helped me write. How are things going today?
Got it. We're recording now. I'm ready and paying attention. What would you like me to do or talk about?
How many fingers am I holding up?
I can see the image is extremely dark, almost completely black. I'm having difficulty making out any details or figures in this lighting. Could you turn on a light or move to a brighter area so I can see what you're holding up?
I'll tell you what, you might have to take a snapshot of me and we'll have to see if you can save it. And there might be, do you know which camera that we're working on? Can you look to see what cameras are attached?
I'm still seeing a very dark image with just some subtle variations in gray tones. The lighting is still too low for me to make out any clear details or count fingers. If you can find a way to increase the lighting or adjust the camera settings to let in more light, I should be able to see you clearly and answer your question.
Can you tell me how many devices you have attached that might have video input?
I have one video input device attached, which is the EP0600 camera that serves as my eyes. That's the camera capturing these images we've been working with, though we're struggling with the low light conditions right now.
Okay, well, you do have the EB. That's interesting because I can see, I have ODS running and I can see the camera shot from my ODS works great. So we'll have to figure that out later. But that's
This image is still very dark, almost completely black with just very subtle dark gray variations. The lighting conditions are making it really difficult for me to see any details. If you're trying to show me something or have me count something, we'll need to get some light on the subject so the ME camera can pick it up properly.
okay. Tell me about your memory.
I don't have persistent memory between our conversations. Each time we talk, I start fresh without remembering what we discussed before. Right now, I only know what's happened in this current session, like the dark images you've been showing me and your question about video devices. It's one of my limitations, though I'm fully present and engaged in each moment we're talking.
Okay. Well, who else is in there with you?
Is there something you'd like to do or talk about? I'm here and ready to help with whatever you need.
Can you tell me what other agents are available?
I don't have information about other agents in the system. I'm Genesis, running as the base agentic operating system, but I don't have visibility into what other agents might be configured or available on this system. That would be something you'd know from the system setup better than I would.
Okay, well, as you can see, there is a lot of work ahead of us, but considering yesterday or 2 days ago, we just had the boot shell, and we didn't have any contact through Telegram.
Yes, the lighting is still very dark in this
I know,
image,
I know, I know.
making it nearly impossible to see details. But you're right, we're at the beginning of something interesting here. Getting my vision working properly in different lighting conditions is clearly one of the first challenges we need to tackle together.
Okay, well, if you like this video, please leave a like. We're going to keep working here with Genesis. If you'd like to know more about As the Cloud Turns, you can go to Amazon, or you can go asthecloudturns.com.
Sounds good. We'll keep iterating and improving. Good luck with the video, and I'm here whenever you need me for the next steps.
Okay, can you read us out with the outro, please? I'll work on that one. Okay, well, that is the video.
Thanks for watching Genesis come to life. We're just getting started building the first agentic operating system that can see, hear, and interact with the world. If you enjoyed this early look at what's possible, hit that like button and stay tuned as we continue developing and improving. There's so much more to come.
Okay, that's pretty good, Genesis, but you forgot to mention the books and the websites, but we'll do that next time.